Model, 66 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 Cdti Ecoflex non-runner engine seized Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 45,723. MOT, the 19th of August 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.695 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine does not start and won't turn over, engine has seized grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van.